Today we're explaining how to remove Zara tags without cutting them. This is a common question, and thankfully, there are a few methods you can try. First, try using a seam ripper. 1. Gently insert the tip of the seam ripper under the tag, being careful not to snag the fabric. 2. Carefully work your way around the tag, separating the stitches one by one. This requires patience, but it's the most gentle method and minimizes the risk of damage. Remember to work slowly and methodically to avoid accidental tears. If your seam ripper struggles, you may need to use a slightly sharper one. Another method is using a small, sharp pair of scissors. 2. This method requires extra precision to avoid cutting the garment. 3. Insert the scissors carefully under the tag and snip the threads one at a time. 4. Be sure to only cut the threads attaching the tag, not the actual fabric itself. This approach is faster than using a seam ripper, but it increases the risk of damaging the clothing, so always proceed cautiously. A third option involves using heat. 3. This method is best suited for tags that are glued or have a heat-sensitive adhesive. 4. Using a hairdryer on a low setting, gently warm the area around the tag. 5. The heat should loosen the adhesive, allowing you to peel the tag off. Be careful not to overheat the garment, as this could damage the fabric. 6. Once the adhesive is loosened, gently peel the tag away from the fabric. If there's any residue left behind, use a lint roller or a damp cloth to remove it. If the tag is sewn on particularly tightly and none of the above methods work, you can always try using a combination of methods. For example, you could use the seam ripper to loosen the stitches around the tag, and then use your fingers or tweezers to gently pull the tag free. Remember, the key to successfully removing a Zara tag without cutting is patience and precision. Take your time and always prioritize protecting the garment from damage. No matter which method you choose, always test it on an inconspicuous area of the garment first, just in case. Always prioritize the safety of your clothing.